The Ocean Breeze collection speaks about the movement of the waves against the rocks in the Caribbean seas. Sometimes in that seas you can find some ponds where the lights hit the water and create a sparkling effect of mixed colors. And it's very nice because we represented those colors thanks to the rarest terminal in the world, the Paraíba. Also, we used a lot of special opals in order to recreate the transparent or translucent effect that you can see on those seas. It seems that you can wear a piece of the ocean on your skin, and the drops of aquamarine Santa Maria allow you to wear the sensation of the water on your décolleté. Let's discover this world and all the colors that are playful in these wonderful seas.